Yeah? Coolest dad on the block.
I'm going right here like this, right?
Maybe...
But 3.5.
So even more below average.
And 3.5 to 4.
Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in.
I don't know if I've ever introduced you to Haru. Haru, hey, come back.
This is Haru, our new family dog. He's so cute.
Some of you guys have asked why I haven't put him in the vlog, but he's a little shy.
So today, we're actually going to be installing car parts for this guy right here. Look at him. Hard at work. Always working on the backyard. I feel like every time we work on his car, he wears a blue shirt. So we actually picked up another sponsor, or should I say my dad actually picked up another sponsor for the channel.
So I'm sure you guys haven't seen his car in a cool minute. We did the side skirts last. Front lip was one of the first mods, but damn, look at this. He has not been good with this front lip. He has been driving like a normal person. So we have a big fat chip here. I don't think it looks that bad. Easy to patch up, I want to say, but not to match his paint color. So honestly, we'll just leave it as is. We did the taillights. But from the last few videos you guys have seen of his car, what has he been missing? What has he been missing?
So we picked those up today and we're gonna throw them on the car. I drove like 2 hours away just to get this for you, Dad, so I hope you appreciate it.
Got it in here. And I'm gonna show you guys both the parts. We have the first part right here. It is a diffuser with a third brake light, and it kind of looks similar to my diffuser, right? Well, this is actually a custom tuning diffuser. That's custom tuning with a Z. And we also got a spoiler. This comes in gloss black. It also comes in matte black too if you guys want to paint it. I'm pretty sure my dad wants to keep it black. If it were me, I would paint match this blue up to here, all of this blue, and then leave the inside black. But I don't know, this is pretty sick. See, it's like kind of similar to mine, but it's not. So mine is a Tom's Racing diffuser, all the way from Japan. This one, custom tuning, they do it here in the US, in California actually. Honestly, if this was created back in the day, I would have never gotten this one and I would have ran this one. I love the quad tips, but I only ran quad stack tips because this diffuser needs it. But if this was around back in the day, I would have just ran dual, and just this diffuser's sick. Huge thank you to our new sponsor for giving both of these to my dad for us to install on his car.
The beauty about this diffuser is I'm sure you guys are thinking, all right, well, I gotta remove my old diffuser to put this on. Nope, this goes right over. So it goes over with M tape, and we're gonna do some mounting screws at the bottom to make sure it stays in place. But
I think it should just go on. I might mess around with like some tape. Just wanna like test mount it first, but I think it's gonna look so cool. We need to clean up the car a little bit so we could put this spoiler on.
Honestly, I think he's gonna love it. We've been meaning to spruce up the rear end of his car for like so long, so I think this will be good.
Little baby test fit. Like I said, I prefer paint match, but I think my dad wants it like this because he likes contrast. He loves gloss black on stuff. Damn.
And that's just a mock-up so far. Let me clean all this up and try to put this on.
All right, guys, this is just a test fit. I don't have it taped up. It just kind of sits there. I just put it on there and it's like sitting on that, so it's like really good. I know this doesn't look the best, but 3M tape will make the fitment really good. And then I left that on there. Oh my God. That's like not even mounted at all, and it looks so much better. Oh my God.
I really think he'll like this. This is so fucking cool. Gloss black is the move for sure. I personally like paint match, but honestly, this doesn't look bad either.
Damn, that's mean. Get him some rear spats that are paint match, and maybe that might look better in my eyes, but oh my God, the rear end of his car looks aggressive now. We gotta get him some new muffler tips too.
Let's go ahead and actually mount it on. So it comes with mounting screws.
I'm most likely gonna mount from the bottom, and the 3M tape will keep everything connected to the bumper for the most part. This, we're only gonna run 3M tape, so yeah, I'll show you guys when it's all buttoned up. I do have to hook this to his brake light, so I'm definitely gonna do that. First thing I'm gonna do actually is hook up the third brake light, feed it through here, and hook it up to the tail light. Just gonna splice into a red and a black. So I was able to get the third brake light wire, put it over the muffler, pulling it up, and that's how I was able to feed this wire through. Alright, so I mocked it up for him to see. What do you think? Come over here. It's not bolted down or anything, but I just wanted you to see how it would look. You like it?
Look good.
Yeah, so what I want you to do, just T-tap into the black and into the red. That's it. Okay. I would rather it be paint matched, but it looks really mean from the back now, huh? Yeah. And what I'm gonna do for you later on too is you see your muffler tips, how they're sunken in. I'm gonna go to the muffler shop and have them extend it. So we're not giving you new tips, we're not taking your muffler off so it's loud, it's just to extend it so it looks good. More flush with the diffuser. Yeah? Alright, well, surprise, I hope you like it.
Thank you.
Coolest dad on the block. Alright guys, everything is on. Fitment is really good, no gap. I actually just put on the spoiler as well, it's fully on there. Also, no gap. And since I got my dad free car parts, he has to do a little bit of work.
Since my dad has worked in automotive before, he used to work on hydraulics back in the day. He would do the modules and a few installs and everything, but he did work for a company called Pro Hopper. When it comes to wiring, my dad's good, but he likes to go the legit way and solder everything. I don't know if that's good or if that's bad, but that's like a solid hold, and he knows how to do it.
I told him, it's your car, you can do it if you want. It's not my car. I mean, this is like the first time he's working on his car, so why not have it soldered in, perfect T, and we wrap it up and it looks and performs even better.
It needs to be melt.
What?
It's not hot enough. It didn't need anymore.
You want to use the heat gun? Alright guys, we're done. Let's see. Dad, press the brake. Let go. Again. Yep. It works. It'll probably look a lot better at night. So I just have to put all that back together and yeah. How come every time I work on your car and I put something on, you're wearing a blue shirt?
I have a blue car, okay?
And then electrical tape too, just to be safe, but yeah, he soldered everything, so very professional. So what I was telling him is, I think these F-Sport muffler tips look really good, and all we have to do is just go to the muffler shop and get it extended out maybe 4 inches. I think 4 inches would be good enough. 3 would make it really flush, but I wanted to poke out a little more because this diffuser is really aggressive. And he didn't say no, so I guess we'll take it to the muffler shop down there and have Jack work on it.
So that means he needs to let me borrow his car for a day.
Okay, so everything is buttoned up and absolutely perfect. I made a joke with my dad while he was mowing the lawn. I was like, you got a BBL for your car. He's like, what's a BBL? I was like, you know, like a Brazilian butt lift. And he just looked at me like, Jason, don't say that. Oh, it looks so good.
I'm telling you guys, every time I mod his car, it's like I'm modding my own car, and it's just so sick.
Dad, you have to say thank you to the company.
Custom tuning?
Yeah.
So what do you want me to say to them?
I'm supposed to tell them thank you.
Oh, thank you for sponsoring my car.
Yeah, well, he said thank you guys.
We'll probably pick this video back up when I extend the tips.
Alright guys, it is the next day. It's a little warmer out.
We have an appointment today in about like an hour and a half to extend these tips out 4 inches.
My buddy Jack is going to kill it. He says it'll be easy. He'll be able to knock it out and fit me in for today. There's another thing that this car needs. I don't know if you guys remember from one of my last videos a while back.
When I switched to these tails, I knew that they were darker than the OEM orange reflectors, so I tinted it. I think with my dad's, I might tint it a little bit too. I'm not too sure just yet. I don't know, I know these are like kind of red orange, but this is like straight orange.
So yeah, we'll tint that real quick. Should be really easy. And I'll show you guys how it looks right after. And then we can go to our exhaust appointment.
And another thing I've been wanting to show you guys, I've only had this wrap for about 7 months, and check it out. The wrap is failing. It's like missing pieces of material. It's so weird. I mean, it looks good from far away, but when you get up close, like, yeah, that's not it.
When I finally decide to slap the body kit on this, because the body kit is going to take a lot of custom work to get it to fit, I might just rewrap the hood the roof, and the trunk, maybe the wing too. Pieces that are super exposed to the sun, because look at the sides. The sides are still absolutely perfect, like besides it being dirty right there. It's so good still. So the fact that this is failing must mean that it's super exposed to the sun. All right, so that was one of the easiest things ever. I don't even need to remove the third, well technically fourth brake light. I used some leftover material I had of this tint. There's gaps that was big enough for me to cut around, and it's a little warm outside, so the wrap had no issue getting a little stretchy and being able to get to stick around this little curvature that bulges out, you know? Oh, it looks so much better. It's just like the tiniest difference. Like, all I did was just make this a shade darker, but I think it goes so much better with the whole rear setup now, because even though my dad has clear tails, you can still see the red LEDs, so definitely a little bit better. If anything, I'll see you guys at the muffler shop. Already putting in work?
Should have said, let the circumcision begin.
So what do you think? I know 4 inches is below average, but...
Well, let's see. Kind of going right here like this, right?
Maybe...
But 3.5.
So even more below average.
And 3.5 to 4.
Alright guys, my dad's mufflers have been circumcised.
Yep. The proper way. You guys drive the same car, huh?
So the story was, when I didn't have a car, he would pick me up sometimes, right, if I needed a ride. I would see him come in this car, pick me up at the mall, whatever it was, and I was like, wow, this car doesn't look that bad. But he wanted me to get this car, but I thought it was too expensive, and then, you know, I saved up a little more, and because he has a turbo, so it was like 10 grand more for some reason at the time. So I got the slower version, but it looks the same. We got the F-Sport, had the bumpers, so he heavily influenced me, even though I never once wanted this car ever. And there you have it, just like that. Oh my god, it looks so much better. Thank you, Jack.
Jason, you're the man.
What do you think?
Beautiful, actually looks very nice.
We didn't need to go aftermarket tips. I think that fits the diffuser just well.
No, it's perfectly fine. If you get anything aftermarket, the only thing it's gonna be like the center pipe. You're just not gonna have that. But other than that, leave it stock, even though you can trick the cop.
There you have it. Car is officially done. My dad loves it. He's just out in the backyard right now, so I showed him a picture of it and he's like, oh wow, it looks nice. Give you guys one more look. So aggressive. Oh my god. So glad he likes it. Huge thank you once again for Custom Tuning for the sponsorship and hooking my dad up with these 2 parts. It was awesome because we've been needing something for his rear, and I told you guys we'll eventually find someone who wanted to sponsor his car, and we have it. If you guys want anything from Custom Tuning, link is in the description below to their Instagram account, and they will have a website up and running soon, but the best way is to contact them through Instagram direct messages. Tell them what you want, they'll be able to get it for you. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will come back with a new video soon. I've been in the process of filming 2 videos, and it's just been taking a little bit of time, and promise they'll be out soon. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.